The team are next headed to Las Vegas Grand Prix. It's a really big one because it's our home race. The toughest part of my role is definitely managing the logistics around team kit. Obviously, when you've got so many people spanned across so many different places, making sure everyone's got everything they need so that we're set up for performance ahead of every race. In terms of the safety kit for each of the drivers, they obviously have their fireproof underwear, they've got their suits, the hands device to keep their neck safe, their boots, their gloves and their helmet. There's a lot at risk if I get my role wrong. It just makes your role even more crucial. Before SafetyCulture, my role was very pen and paper based. That's a very labour intensive process, it's very manual, there's a lot of risk with human error. SafetyCulture has improved my ways of working because I can digitally input everything that I'm sending off, and then when my colleague receives that overseas, she's got the reassurance that I've packed everything that she needs to send the drivers out on track. F1 is a really high pressure environment, so we need to make sure that they've got everything, and using SafetyCulture helps us to do that.